Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the GraphQL Apollo server. Today we are going to learn about the mutations. So, those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So in the GraphQL API, mutations are used to modify the data, like update, create, delete, such as creating, updating, deleting the records. When working with the Apollo server, mutations allow clients to make the changes to the data stored in the backend systems, right? So what is the mutation in the GraphQL? A typical mutation contains the following parts: mutation name, arguments, and the return type. Mutation name defines what action is being performed, like add a book, update a book, or delete a book. Arguments, variables that mutation requires, such as the book's title, authors. In a add book mutation, return type defines the what mutation will return, often the updated data also. Okay, mutation example with the Apollo server. Let's implement an example where we perform add book mutation to add a new book to our list. Okay, so let's have a look. First of all, we have to define the schema for mutation. In the GraphQL, we first define the schema, type, query, and mutations. Here we will create a mutation called addBook that take two arguments, title and the author, both which are required as a string. So type, mutation, and this is the name. Here you can see that we have arguments addBook, okay, and here we have the parameters, that title and the author. Okay, so here you can see that two arguments, title and the author. Here you can see that the arguments is title and the author, and this is the type, mutation. Okay, so this is how we can define the mutation. This is the way. This mutation adds a new book and returns newly added book object. Okay, so resolver function for the mutation. So we have to create that one also. Resolvers are the actual functions that executes the mutation logic. For example, for add a book, the resolver will take the title and the author arguments to create a new book and return it. So here you can see that we have a resolver mutation, add book, arguments, and it takes the title and the author and push into that array and return that updated one. Okay, return it, whatever the data we have pushed, it will return that part. Okay, now add book. Here you can see that, here you can see add book. This is the resolver for the mutation. Arguments contains the title and the author arguments provided by the client. Books.push new book adds the new book to the array in memory for the simplicity. Returns the new book, returns the newly added book as a response. Let's dive into the code level, how we have to implement this. Let's go to the code. This is already ready. So Polo server import, initialize an array to hold the book data. Define your GraphQL schema with the type definitions, that is query. Then we have to define the mutation. Then we have to define the type of the book, that is title is string and the author is screen. So here we have defined the mutation. So this is the query and the query schema, and here is the mutation. Okay, now we have to define the resolvers for the schema. So here we have resolvers, return the resolver to return the list of the books. Okay, and then if we query that one, then it will return all the books. Okay, now we have a mutation resolver to add a new book to the array. So here you can see that we have a add book. Okay, title and the author, add the new book to the books array, return the new book. Okay, now we have to initialize the Polo server. Okay, so this is that one, type def resolver CSF protection. You have to enable it if you are facing issue, and the introspection, enable introspection to allow the schema to be viewed in the Polo sandbox. Okay, now start the server on the port 4000 for that one, and it will log the print that server is ready to use. Let's go and see node index.js. Okay, let's open this URL. Okay, so here we have the mutation, and this is how we are going to use it. Okay, let's have a look. So let's try to add this book. Okay, whatever the data we have pushed, it is returned. Okay, so here you can mutation, add book, title and the string, title and author we have to send. Okay, and we have a query also. Okay, so let's add two more data. This is also added. Let's make a query. So query, we have the books, right? So here we require the title, and if we try to running it up, here you can see that the title, this and that, it's coming up. Okay, so we have already pushed these two things into the array, and it will return with the help of query. You can retrieve that one. Okay, any doubt, any query in that, to let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you like the video, so please do like, share and comment on the video. Nobody is doing the comment on the video, so that it will boost me to add more videos, more tutorials on that. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.